Hi, students. Today, let us continue our topic strategic management. Let us discuss the features of strategic management. As we have seen, strategic management plays a significant role in the success and survival of a business. It plays a significant role in modern business scenario. It involves continuous process of decision making that are important for the survival, growth, success, flourishment, etc. of an organization. Now let us see the features of strategic management one by one. First of all, strategic management is a process. Just like any other management process, strategic management is also a process which consists of a series of steps. Strategic management has emerged out of management in other areas where the concept of management is taken as a process for achieving certain objectives of the organization for which it is brought into existence. So strategic management is a process for achieving the organizational objectives. Second one is strategic management focus on external environment. The open system in which the firms interact with the environment calls for strategic decisions to be made in the light of how suppliers, creditors, customers, competitors, government, etc. react to the environmental changes, the stipulated changes. The next one is strategic management is basically a top management function. Since the environment of the organization is always changing, providing new opportunities and threats, top management must spend more and more time on this aspect. Thus, there is a considerable change on the emphasis of top management functions in the organizations, particularly in large and complex organizations. The change is from operational management to strategic management. Now the next one is strategic issues warrant top management decisions. Strategic issues warrant top management decisions. Strategic decisions are having far-reaching impact on several areas of firm's operations. Hence, top management involvement in decision making is very, very important. These decisions must be made by top management as these are the pillars of the organization which determine the success and survival. Then the strategic issues involve the allocation of large amounts and resources. It involves the large allocation of various M's, men, money, material, machinery, etc. By very nature, strategic issues call for allocation of large amounts and resource deployment. The strategic issue may be expansion of production capacity or entering into a new market or modernization. All these require huge amounts and resources. So strategic issues involve allocation of large amount and resources. Now the next one is strategic issues are future oriented. An important feature of strategic management is that it is future oriented. Strategic decision making are future oriented and has considerable impact on long term prosperity of the organization. It is having considerable impact on the long term prosperity of the organization. Then strategic issues warrant due weightage to the firm's external environment. As already stated, strategic issues warrant due weightage to the firm's external environment. Each business unit is a subsystem that exists in open and suprasystem, which is otherwise known as the environment, especially the stipulated environment, including the ethical and demographic factors. A firm as a subsystem has great influence of the environmental factors on it, and it has its own impact on environment. The strategic issues warrant due weightage to be given to the firm's external environment, the stipulated environment. Now the last one is strategic issues are likely to have long-term impact. Long-term impact. Strategic issues are likely to have impact on the long-term prosperity of the firm. The strategic decisions are such that their impact, whether it is good or bad, will be known in the long run. When a company sticks to a particular strategic option, its competitive image and merits are tied to that strategy option. So, these are the various features of strategic management. Thank you.